Finding the mean. In this lesson, we're going to understand what it is to find the mean or an average of a set of numbers. Look carefully at this example. You'll see that there are two steps. The first step is to add up all of the digits that are available in a number set. The second step will be to divide the total of the number set by the number of digits that were in the set to begin with. In this example, we have the numbers 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, and 8, and they're all added together to come up with a total of 32. To find the mean of this number set, we're going to have to divide it by the number of digits that are in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total was 32. 32 divided by 7 comes up with the decimal number 4.57. So the mean, or the average, of this number set is 4.57. You'll notice that there are no 4.57s in this number set. This is an average, not an exact number that's going to be found in that number set. Let's take a look at this set of numbers. I have 89, 78, 93, and 67. I chose these numbers because these are sometimes the numbers that represent scores that kids get on assignments or tests. In order to see how I'm doing in this class, or how the student is doing in this class, I'm going to need to find the mean or the average of the numbers that are in this number set. Well, in order to find the mean or the average of these numbers, I'm going to have to add them all together to find a total. And then I'm going to have to take that total and divide it by the number, or how many digits are in this set. So I see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in this set. Well, earlier I did the math on this and I found out that 89 plus 78 plus 93 plus 67 equals a total of 327. So now I'm going to take that 327, put it in the division box. Oops, that's not 27. Let's go ahead and make that 27. I'm going to put that in the division box, and I'm going to divide it by the number of digits that it took to get to 327. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to divide this by 4. So 4 into 32 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. Now I'm going to bring down that 7 and going to estimate how many 4s are in 7. There's only one group of 4 in 7, so 1 times 4 is 4. That's going to leave me with the remainder of 3. So we're going to leave it at that for right now. If I was just trying to get a quick picture of what my grade would be like, I would say I'm pretty close to 81%. 81% is like a B. I could go and say that I don't want to just have those 3 leftover numbers. I could turn this into a decimal number to see if it's going to raise my score anymore. Oops, I don't want to have that 0 up there. I could go see if I want it's going to raise my score anymore, and I could come up with an 81 point something, but even if it rounds it up to 82%, 82% is still going to be like a B score. Well, when I'm trying to find the mean or the average between my scores, I add up all of the digits, I find the total of the digits, I divide this total by the number of digits that were present in the number set, and it gives me my mean score. And once again, the mean score is not going to be any one of these other scores. It's going to be an average of all of those scores put together.